Hi, Craft Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. I'm here today with a project share I did on my channel last night um, as a live, and it's a greeting card. As you can see, I have a little belly band here, and the printable that you see on here is from Decorate Your Life. I will have everything linked down below in the comment section of the video. Now, I made this little belly band using the Be Beautiful printable kit from Decorate Your Life. I put it on cardstock. I put some bling from Crafter Square on here, and then we have some yarn. It's like twine, but it's from Dollar Tree. And then here is my card from the kit. Here's a print, what we call fussy cut piece that I did. And here too, this is fussy cut and mounted onto white cardstock. And here is some white cardstock to where I didn't put no sentiments on here at all. So I leave it up to the person that's going to get the card. So that is my little card. I have a flap over to hold it closed. So you go this way, this way. And then we have our little belly band here. That never goes on the way I want it to. I think it goes this way. There we go. I had it on the wrong way. So I want to thank you all. Well, I do have it on the wrong way. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to use my affiliate links to when you purchase these printables that you see me use. And she's also having a sale that will end on Valentine's Day. So, you know, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Remember, you are where everything is made with love in every stitch. Please be safe, be kind, be caring, be blessed, be safe, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.